Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do part 2 on our arrays, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to access an array. But before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, very important. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so we're going to create an array. I'm going to call it array 2. And I'm going to populate this array with Paul, Bill, Pete, and Joe. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to access these, so we start at index position 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's say I want to access Paul. Paul is going to be at index position 0. So this is how we do this. Type print. That's going to be scalar array. 2 it's called, and then I'm going to print go for 0 index position and then a new line. Okay, now we'll just save that. Just going to run it. Okay, so there you can see it's access Paul. Okay, what happens if I want to, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, so what happens if I want to get Pete's name here? So that's going to be at position 2. So again, print, that's going to be array 2, and that's going to be position 2 here. Okay, let's save it and let's run it. Okay, so there you go, we've got Pete there. Okay, what happens? I'm just going to get rid of this here, and what happens if I want to get Joe? Well, there's a couple of ways I can get Joe. I can go 0, 1, 2, 3, so let's try that. So let's go down there, so print, and this is going to be array 2, and that's 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be position 3. Okay. So I've got Joe there at position 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's another way of doing that. If we start counting from the end here, we're going to start counting at -1. So you can get him by starting from -1. So let's run that. There we go, Joe again, starting at position -1. Okay, let's try something. Let's see what happens when we say 0, 1, 2, 3, let's say 4. Let's say if we do this 4, let's see what happens there. So let's just run that. Okay, so it throws up a little bit of an error message here, but basically there isn't a position 4. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.